Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and in today's video I have a haul, or four. I got Marshalls, Target, some Wal-Mart, and I went to Ulta. This is what happens when you work a lot, and then to make yourself happy you go shopping. This is my I Survived Labor Day weekend haul. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's start off with my Walmart haul. I got some Equate nail files, because I know y'all are excited to see that. You know, a good nail file nowadays is hard to find. So we'll see how those go. I was so excited to see Undone Beauty in Walmart. So if you don't know what Undone Beauty is, they are a clean beauty brand that started out at Ulta. It is a brand by a Nigerian woman named Sharon, and she has started this spin-off brand. It's Undone Beauty by Sharon C. This as well is clean beauty, but it's more affordable, and you can find it at Walmart. I was like, what? Say what? We got this at Walmart. So I have not tried any of this brand. It is on my wish list of things that I want to try. Ulta is having their 21 days of beauty sale, and the Undone Beauty powder, setting powder, was half off, and I missed it. When I went to go grab it, it was already gone. So I'm trying to get my hands on some of that, and you can bet that there is a future video of all of the products that I'm showing you today. So this is the One and Done brow pencil, and I have heard so many good reviews on this brow pencil. This is what it looks like, and it is a very fine pencil on one end and a brow gel on the other, so I'm quite excited to try that. And then they had a little, if y'all hear that, there's a cat in a bag. It's kind of like a cat in a hat, but not. They had a little palette. Look at this pretty fall palette. Isn't that pretty? Eye Service. It's an eyeshadow quad, and this is Blazing. Very pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because I am going to do a video using all of these products. And then we have a mascara. This is Batter Boom, and it is in the shade black, y'all. I tried to get the camera to pick it up, but it won't, but it says black, y'all. I love that. And then I have a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Lip tint and oil gloss in the shade It's Complicated. Look at how pretty that is. I love that. And I got a foundation. This is Flawless IRL Skin Perfecting Foundation, infused with green coffee extract. And this is in the shade Fair Lady T5. I'm excited to give these some try because I had seen some talk online about this spin-off and had been looking at it. And then when I went into Walmart the other day and saw it in a local Walmart, I was like, what? And also while I was at Walmart, the last thing that I got, they had hard candy, and I got this Full Coverage Foundation 2, Glamouflage is what it's called, and it is oil-free with vitamin E. It says it wears for hours, and this is in the shade Beige. So those are all the products that I got at Walmart. Videos to follow. And so the little town that I went to, it's about 45 minutes away. It's called Washington, Missouri. That's where Marshalls and Ulta and all of those stores are. So while I was there, I ran to Target And at Target, I picked up this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Whipped Matte Makeup. And this is in the shade Light. I thought that that was interesting. I had not heard of this whipped matte makeup. Instant Age Rewind. I don't remember the last time I bought a Maybelline product. So while I was buying that Maybelline product, I got this Superstay Vinyl Ink, and this is in the shade Witty. I thought that that was very interesting. It's a very pretty shade, and I have seen some reviews of this online and how well it stays on your lips, and I think it says vinyl ink, so I think it's supposed to stay glossy or shiny. I'm trying to find some really good foundations, and I heard that this was really good too. This is the Maybelline Superstay Activewear 30-Hour Foundation, and this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Also, they had Essence there at the Target, and I got this little Essence Taupe It Up palette because I thought that it was just super cute. I love these colors. Look at how pretty those are. Just a nice little cool palette. And I've heard great things about their bronzer, so I picked up this matte bronzing powder for lighter skin, Sun Club, and this is in the shade Natural. So those are all of my Target items. Let's move on to Ulta. I had no idea that Ulta did candles. Did y'all? When I go into Ulta, I'm looking for makeup. I'm not looking for candles, but this was on sale. It was regularly $20 and it was on sale for $10. And this was the last one they had because the sales manager that worked there said this was her favorite scent, and she zapped them all up except for one. I was like, why did you leave one? But I guess she left it for me. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I cannot wait to light that. It's a soy blend candle, and it's chilled limoncello, however you say it. It smells so good. I'm sure that y'all will see that burning back here. And then, because I'm on the hunt for the perfect nail file, thought I would try some of theirs. I like that it's in a little plastic case, so I can put that in my purse. And then I had been on the NYX website because I have not tried a lot of NYX products, and I wanted to do a full face, so that video will be coming. So I picked up a few things that I was missing that were out of stock on the NYX website. I got this Lip Lingerie XXL liquid lippy, and this is in the shade Unlaced. Thought that was really pretty, nice fall color. And then this is new, the Smooth Whip, which was not on the website when I placed my order. So I went ahead and picked this up. This is a matte lip cream. And this is in the shade Teddy Fluff. Who comes up with the names of makeup? I want that job. Teddy Fluff. And they had this beautiful liquid eyeshadow. It is so pretty. I can't wait to use that. I don't know what has happened to me. I remember when I first started my YouTube channel and I saw so many people using pinks, and I was like, I'm not a pink girl, but look at me. Look at me now. I had heard quite a bit about Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, and their bronzers. So I believe that this cream bronzer is kind of new. So I wanted to try that. Ultra Cream Bronzer, and this is in the shade Light. And I got the powder because I've heard good things about this too. This is Mega Bronzer in 01 Cool. I love my bronzers, y'all. Look at how different the two colors are. And then I have some Undone Beauty. This was on sale for $12. I'm going to be doing an Undone Beauty video as well. This is a 4-in-1 highlighter palette, and oh my gosh, look at how pretty those colors are. So pretty. I don't know, this doesn't have what the full price of this was, but their packaging is very, very nice for the price. They're a very affordable brand. And the last thing that I got at Ulta is this little Ulta Beauty Sunset Skies palette. And it was on sale for $10. And I have not tried any Ulta products. So I thought this was the perfect time for me to give it a try since it was on sale. It's got a little mirror in it, and the little shade saver has the shade names on it. Look at how pretty that is for $10. So I'm excited to try that. That's a pretty fall palette. Very pretty. Like I said, videos to follow. I went shopping for content, y'all. And the last place that I went shopping was Marshall's. I didn't do too much damage at Marshall's because they didn't have a whole lot. I need to figure out when they get stock in so I can go catch all of this stuff before. People, stop putting your fingers in the makeup. Why? What is wrong with y'all? How am I supposed to buy cheap brand name flu makeup if y'all are sticking your fingers in it? I don't want your fingers in it. I got this little set of microfiber yoga towels because I used to do yoga all the time and I want to start doing it again. But even if I wasn't, you can never go wrong with microfiber towels. And then look at this cute little headband, the little kitty cat headband. By the way, those towels were $4.99. This little headband was $3.99, and I bought this for a friend of mine that was looking for a headband. This has been sitting in a bag for about a week, so now I can finally give it to her. And then they were starting to put out their Halloween stuff. Look at these cute lashes with the little spiders on them and the spider webs. These were $3.99, super cute. And then they had this 6-pack lash collection, and I thought that these were just absolutely gorgeous. Look at how pretty those are. It's too shiny. There we go. Super cute. And this set was $6.99. But look at how pretty they are. I love them. Love them, love them. Halloween. And then, because I had to, because I love my candles, y'all. Love my candles. This is Apple Currant. And this DW Home brand, which I see at Marshall's a lot, is so good. They're on their website. These candles are like 25 bucks. I got this one for $12.99. And look at the pretty wooden apple lid. That smells so good. Super excited about that. And these jars, these are really heavy jars. These are really good. Even if you left the label on it and just clean the jar out, makes perfect brush holder, or to put your lippy pencils in, or eyeliners, or, you know, great makeup jars, and they look so pretty sitting on your vanity. And they're not hard to clean out either. And this is called Fright Night. It is earthy and ozonic and citrus. It's a sparkle of citrus, green cactus, and shimmers of aloe, finished with a whisper of desert sandstone. Doesn't that just sound amazing? And this is the DW Home too. This one as well was $12.99, and it has two. I could just sit here and huff the candles. And this has a nice lid on it too. And this does not come off. So just super cute little jars for different things once you have burned the candle down. There we go. There's my I survived Labor Day hauling. You need to go do you some hauling too. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching me unbox all of my little hauling stuff. Don't forget, content. I'll be making videos. Y'all can come back and watch the videos and learn about all the products that I got. Before you go, make sure you go down in the corner down there and show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to go get you a 6-pack of Faux Lashes. This is Dream Ghoul, Villain, Enchanted, Bewitched, Supernatural, and Charmed. And then you can be all those things while you're fishing. Or you can use them as part of your lure. Or look at these with the little spiders on them. You can just pull these through the water and catch a big old catfish. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.